Let us look at this question. This question you're given that sine y is equal to x times sine of a plus y. You're asked to prove that dy by dx is equal to sine square a plus y by sine y, sine a. So here be careful. You're not asked to find dy by dx. If you want to find, you're asked to find dy by dx. You can just find dy by dx and leave it in whatever form you get. But you're asked to prove that dy by dx is this expression. It means you have to take dy by dx till this expression. So you have to be more careful in these types of questions. So here what we do is sine y by sine of a plus y is equal to x. So let us differentiate both sides with respect to y. So if you differentiate both sides with respect to y, on the LHS you get sine of a plus y whole square, that is sine square a plus y, and vu dash sine of a plus y into differentiation of sine y with respect to y. So I am differentiating both sides with respect to y. So sine of a plus y, v times differentiation of this is cos y minus u times differentiation of v is cos of a plus y is equal to dx by dy. So this implies, so what is in the numerator? The numerator is of the form sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. Sine a cos b minus cos a sine b. The numerator is nothing but sine of a minus b. That is sine of a plus y minus y by sine square of a plus y is equal to dx by dy. So y and minus y gets cancelled. So dx by dy is sine a by sine square of a plus y. This implies reciprocating both sides, you get dy by dx is equal to sine square of a plus y by sine a. Sine square of a plus y by sine a. That's what you're asked to prove. Hence, proved.